Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, tomorrow is paint shop day. I'm going to take the Harley panels down the paint shop to paint them, so I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone, and I'll do something on the Suzuki with them as well, and that is these engine casings. Now you might notice that the clutch case has been stripped of its paint, and these front two engine casings have been stripped of their clear coat, and that means that every time I ride it, I now have to polish them back up for 2 hours with the Autosol because they just corrode for a pastime now, and that's getting boring. So I'm going to strip all three of them off, degrease them, sand them up, give them a nice key, and then 3 coats of etch primer to dry overnight. Then tomorrow I can take those down there with me as well, and I can paint those in a lovely rich gloss black, just like the chain case is already painted, and then the engine will be washable. I can just rinse it off after a ride instead of all that fingertip polishing. So let's do it. Now, when I pulled this off, I did wait until this point to see if I need to order gaskets. I think you can now and again reuse these gaskets. They can come off sometimes in perfect condition and you can use them a second time. But this particular one, when we turn it around, there's Weetabix on there. That is a cereal box, and there is nothing wrong with that. That is fine gasket making. So to whomever made that, sir, that is a fabulous job. But unfortunately, it is toast now and I can't use it again. So I'll be ordering a full set of genuine OEM gaskets, not just for this cover, but the other two as well. Nice work though, mate. Right, there we are. That's them fully degreased, bone dry and ready for the next step, which is get some 600 grit and get a scuff going on, scuff them all up completely to give the primer something to bite into. Right, there we are. That's it. A long day, and I'm really happy with the results now. 6 items, all completely ready for the paint shop. Just got to take them down there and get cracking. Now, for me, that's tomorrow morning, but for you, it'll be the next video because I need a little bit of time in between to edit and do the post-production. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, ride safe, and I'll see you next time.